How to transfer docs from Bitget wallet to Bitget exchange on PC. Now, to be able to do that, make sure you are logged into your Bitget exchange account and make sure you have the Bitget wallet extension on your browser and you are signed into your account. Now, after that, how to be able to do that? Now, click on send. From here, search for docs like this. So if you don't find it, now go to your phone, open it, go to Telegram and open the docs bot Telegram, and now make sure connect your docs to your Bitget wallet. Now after that, go back to this page that you have on your PC. Now after that, you will see it here. Now for example, so this is our docs. Now here you need the address wallet. Now how to do that, how to get it? Now go back to your Bitget, and now after that go to icon wallet, and now click on assets overview, and now from here the sidebar, click on spot. Now from here on the deposit, click on crypto. Now here select the sol or the same or the docs, it will be the docs. Now here select the network. Now after that copy the address. Now go back to your Bitget wallet extension. Now paste the address and here enter how much you want to send of docs. Now after that click on next. You don't need here the notes, just click on next and you will be able to send docs from Bitget wallet to Bitget exchange on PC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.